Hey guys, so this is a quick do-it-yourself video for an outdoor dartboard. So me and a buddy basically wanted to play darts. We play a lot indoors, but when it's nice outside, I'd always rather be outside than inside, so I'm gonna try to make an outdoor dartboard. Let's see how this goes. Alright, and it worked. So, just hung it on the dip machine, and now I can come out here and play darts, and then take it back in if it starts to rain or whenever. And yeah, that's basically it. So, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.